So when we're talking about camping safety, there's more to it than having bear spray or a knife or some kind of self-defense. Safety also includes your personal well-being, your safety. So it doesn't matter if you're camping in the summer or the winter, you have to be ready for the weather, ready for the elements. So I don't know if you can hear it, but it's sleeting right now. And it's not uncommon to be in a mountainous area and all of a sudden it snows or sleets or you get freezing rain. You have to be prepared for that kind of stuff. So it's important to have extra food and water and clothes to make sure that you're going to have enough to make it a day or two if you get stranded. And you also have to think about clothes. Take you some extra clothes, extra days worth of clothing in case you get wet, because you don't want to get hypothermia and get sick or worse from it. Even though you want to be adventurous and have a sense of adventure, you got to be sure to let someone know where you are at and be wise about the conditions you're going to face and be prepared for conditions that you don't expect. So like I always say, just get out there and have fun. There's nothing wrong with taking some extra stuff. There's nothing wrong with being cautious. Sure, we all want to seek adventure and we want to push our limits sometimes. Weather and conditions and different kinds of things you need to take with you. Really consider it, because you would rather have too much than not enough when it comes to food and clothing and shelter.